This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your console model and firmware because the exploit depends on hardware and version. Once done, backup NAND and user data to your PC. Then format and mount a 64 GB plus micro SD as exFAT and copy the boot payloads. Next, install Tegra RCM GUI on your computer. This sends the exploit to the switch. Finally, place Hecate and Atmosphere on the card, so you can boot into custom firmware and continue with the Google install process. Boot your switch into RCM and use Tegra RCM GUI to inject Hecate. That launches the custom boot manager. From Hecate, dump the system keys and create an EMU MMC so Android runs isolated from system NAND. Make sure you allocate enough space on the micro SD for Android and apps. Then flash the Android payload or image, lineage OS/Android, to the EMU MMC partition following the image-specific instructions. After flashing, reboot into Android to verify kernel. With Android running, transfer a matching GApps package to the device and sideload it via recovery or ADB. Pick a package that matches the Android version and ABI. Once installed, enable Google Play services and sign in with your account, then reboot to apply frameworks. Make sure to grant permissions and update Play services if prompted. If something goes wrong, clear caches, reflash the correct GApps build, or restore your NAND backup. This prevents boot loops and preserves your original system integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.